I am really excited for my new one-person sauna. This is the box it came in and all of the pieces inside of the box. I've taken them all out so you can see the panels. We have the handle and the hardware, and then the top, and then all of the side panels, and the front panel, and the back panel as well. And here I am putting it all together. And you can do this as a one-person job, like I've done it here. And I've just followed the instructions like they are, and they have pictures on the instructions, which is nice. And then once it's all set up, this has a full body infrared heat, and it has foot zone warmth, and then it has a nice glow to it. You can create a real calm spa-like mood with lighting, and you could even have some music playing if you wanted to. And it has the nice spruce wood, as you can see, so it's all complete here. It looks really nice, and it's easy to open up the door here. You can see that nice bench, and then we have the vent on the top and the control panel on the side, and then you can see it's easy to close the door and it stays closed. It has that beautiful wood finish to it, and you can turn on the control panel. You can have it go up to 149. You can set your timer as well, and you can turn on and off the light like I just did. And then here I am getting into the sauna here. I'm going to switch the panel on so it starts to warm up like I've done here, so you can see it's on, and then it is starting to heat up. It's at 144 right now, increasing to 143, and then you can see it's up to 149 here. And it's nice because you can just kind of slide into the sauna, and it's a minimalist sauna. It doesn't take up too much space, so you can put it inside of your house, in your garage area, or if you have some type of a little studio area or a workout gym area in your house, you could put it in there as well. It's just a nice, relaxing sauna, and it helps to detox. It can help improve your sleep and just have you be more relaxed. Or if you are recovering from something, it can help with that as well. And it's just nice to incorporate it into your lifestyle. You can have the light be on or off, and that way you could read in here if you wanted. This is my compact home spa by Albott. Really nice. I was sent this in exchange for the video. I hope it helps.